Make a great choice today with the 2020 A5. The Audi A5 is a great car. A great drive and superb engines are included standard. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, rain-sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.